Hi, it's Omer Khalil. I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant, and today I'm going to talk about Canada's Express Entry stream. I get bombarded with a ton of questions from clients as to what is Express Entry, what is the process, how much does it cost. So I thought I should make a video to help you break down the whole process and limit your complications. So step number one to begin with, we need to have an active profile for your Express Entry stream. That's number one. So once you create the profile, you become part of the pool of candidates, and you could be selected through those bi-weekly or monthly draws. Okay, if your name pops up, you will be given an ITA, that's called invitation to apply, and that is the second part of the application. Now we're going to talk about the cost, because I've pretty much told you about the concept of what is Express Entry. Now we can talk about the cost. It's going to cost you $850 per applicant. So if you are the primary applicant, it's going to charge you $850, and if you have a spouse, it's going to charge him or her $850, and if you have a child, it's going to cost you $250 per child. Okay. So now let's suppose we move on to the second part of the application. If you do get an invitation to apply, and then again you have to pay a fee per applicant of $515, and that is called the right of permanent residence fee. Okay, and that's per applicant. For you and your spouse, each you're going to pay $515. So this is the whole thing basically. I've told you about the concept of Express Entry. I've told you how much it's going to cost. Keep in mind, there is a requirement that you have to have your IELTS test results, minimum 6.0, or you can get 7.0 if you're smart enough, of course. I hope you are. And secondly, you need to verify your documents from World Education Services. Once you have these two things, you're ready to create your profile, okay, for your Express Entry stream. So that's pretty much everything. If you are looking to get represented by a legal professional, as I said before, I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant. My practice is in Ajax, Ontario. I do come visit Pakistan, over time. So you can get in touch with my manager, Mr. Johanzat Altaf. Try to book an appointment, and we can take it up from there. So that's pretty much it, and we'll come back with more information later on. All right, thank you. Ciao. Bye-bye.